Hello guys, how's it going? I hope everything is well. So in this video we are going to talk about class 10 social studies chapter 3 production and employment. This chapter is related to Telangana State Board and also Andhra State Board. So according to the recommendation of this video you can watch, right? So let's see this. We are in this video we are going to see all the important questions. Important question we already see. We are going to see in the MCQ, fill in the blanks, and that's one, match the following question. So this is a fill in the blanks here. So I hope till 1 to 7 is it clear for you. So then see the answer sheet. So there's already it is the answer sheet. The one is market goods, agriculture sector, agriculture, discussion employment, that's unstable. What is this? Unstable and a small and 50%. Okay, right. So then you can see, I'm sorry here. Okay, you can see the map the flowing also. Organized sector is Indian Railway. Okay, an organized sector it is. Unorganized sector is manufacturing of agriculture. Okay, it is unorganized because it is not a government. Okay, na GDP, not a GDP is a value of a final good and service. April to March. Okay, now this is the I think not a finance. It is a financial year. April to March it is a financial year. Okay, na, and the fifth one is value of international good and service ones. Okay, na. So then you can see the choose the correct answer. Which are the flowing is the service sector activities. Okay, then you can see disgusted unemployment is known as underemployment. Unemployment would have been okay. So we are going to see the also answer of this question also. So just wait a few minutes here. Okay, now is it clear? Right. So in the downwards you can see this is the answer of that one. Okay, it is still here only. So I hope this video is going to be very helpful for you and we will meet another video. Jai Hind.